What's the meaning of anglophone? Anglophone. 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 Anglophone.
Anglophone refers to someone who speaks English as their first language or who is part of an English-speaking community. The term is often used in contrast to francophone, which refers to someone who speaks French as their first language or who is part of a French-speaking community. Anglophone communities can be found all over the world, with the largest being in the United Kingdom, the United States, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. Understanding the distinction between Anglophone and Francophone cultures can be important when studying international relations, cross-cultural communication, and diplomacy.